more elephants arrive. And finally, the matriarch and her family are here. In a last burst of energy, they rush ahead to the glorious oasis. Our baby elephant discovers real mud and how to slide in it. His older sister just jumps right in. She already knows how to take a proper mud bath. It takes practice, but her baby brother soon gets the hang of it. His mother keeps an eye out, though. She doesn't want him to get stuck in the mud. It's Elephant Spa Day. There's a lot of fun to be had. And such a perfect reward after all that walking. Elephants have many uses for mud. Minerals for their diet, sunscreen, and bug repellent. Mud helps keep parasites at bay. Playtime is over. The mud bath's too crowded now. So Mom gently leads her little one away. Best not to drink where you bathe. It's time to find cleaner water.